Good evening. Welcome to Screen Printing 170, 172, and 270. My name is Thomas Royal. You can call me Thomas. You can call me Mr. Royal. Call me Professor Royal. Don't call me Royal. And don't call me any slang names. You got that? All right. Well, welcome. The class is really simple. We have 4 months. We have 4 projects. 1 color, 2 color, 3 color, and a project of your choice. Okay? Has everyone got that? It's really easy. You do those things, come to final, you get an A. Everyone you miss, it's a grade off.
So is common sense a prerequisite?
Well, if common sense was a prerequisite, you wouldn't even be in the class. No, common sense ain't so common, but there's enough stupidity to go around.
What if you don't know Photoshop or Illustrator?
You don't really have to know Photoshop or Illustrator. I know enough to be plenty dangerous with it. And what I don't know, I can always get one of my advanced students to help you with.
Do you have to be Asian to take this course?
That is an absolutely silly question. Do you have to be Asian to take the class? Are you Asian?
Ching chang ting a ling lang.
I guess you are. You're in the class.
Is it all right if my screen door has hole?
Your screen door have a hole in it? Is it all right if my screen door has a hole in it? No, it's not. You bring it in, right in here, and we'll rescreen it for you with some really fine mesh to keep the mosquitoes and the gnats out. You in the back over there.
Do you guys supply the shirts, or do we have to buy our own ink?
Jeff, no is the answer to your question. And you asked 2 questions, so I'm going to say no to both. No, we don't supply the shirts, and no, you don't have to buy your own ink. Well, finally, we've had the last stupid question for the evening. Now let's take a tour of the shop out here. Come on, let's go. All right, well, welcome. Come on in, guys and girl. Here's our class for you. We've got a number of great machines in here. Back in the dark ages, when we were over at Orange Glen, we had nothing. Well, not nothing, but it was really sad, sad stuff. But now we've got a nice back here. We've got an 8-color 10-station automatic. None of you can use it because it's way too complex. I don't even know how to run the thing. Over here we have a 6-color 6-station press. That's brand new this year. And over here we have our old dinosaur. It's 4-color 4-station. All right, come on. So what we have in the back room over here is a washout area and an exposure room. It's got the greatest, newest equipment. The problem is I forgot my keys and I can't get in. So I encourage you to sign up for GC 170, 172, or 270.
Where all your screen printing dreams can come true.
We have got the greatest screen printing club and you can count on it.